Hello friends, welcome to Target UPC. I welcome you to the new video on Yelgar Ethics Shorts. It is basically a video on basics of ethics. What do you mean by ethics? What is difference between ethics and morality? Why ethics is important? So ये basic concept आज हम deal करेंगे. हम ये भी देखेंगे कि what is the relationship between values, ethics, attitude and behavior. So एक बहुत important lecture है. Please watch till the end and hopefully you like this lecture. Please share it among all your friends. Basically ethics मतलब क्या? Ethics is basically a study of right or wrong. It is judging one's action based on values set by the society. अगर कुछ वैल्यूज सोसाइटी ने एक्सेप्ट किए हैं, कुछ वैल्यूज सोसाइटी ने अवॉइड किए हैं, तो उस बेसिस पर ह्यूमन एक्शन को जज करना इज बेसिकली एथिक्स. अगर इफ यू वेर इन 16th century, 15th century, तब सती वाज राइट बिकॉज उस टाइम की सोसाइटी ने कंसिडर दैट एज एन राइट एक्शन. बट इफ यू सी टुडे इट इज रॉन्ग एक्शन. सो एज द वैल्यूज ऑफ द सोसाइटी चेंज, एथिक्स चेंज. तो बेसिकली एथिक्स इज जजिंग वंस एक्शन बेस्ड ऑन द सोसाइटल वैल्यूज एट दैट टाइम. तो ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन आपको पता चाहिए. साइड बाय साइड आपको मोरल्स के बारे में पता चाहिए. इट मींस जजिंग वंस action based on individual values, or you decide whether your action is right or wrong based on the individual values you have set for yourself. तो ये एक basic difference है. Ethics is more external, morals are basically more internal, and it is based on internal values which we have decided. So ये एक बहुत important चीज है. तो what do you mean by values? Values are a fixed belief system of an individual which drives one's action. तो ये values बहुत important है. Values क्या करता है? आपके actions को drive करता है. So based on the values, attitude is defined कि आप किसी चीज के बारे में कैसे देख रहे हो. So if your value towards LGBT community is negative, or if you consider LGBT community gay, or gay community, if you have a negative value against it, your attitude would be negative towards the LGBT community. And similarly, आपका behavior which is linked to your attitude would be totally different. अगर आपका value is totally driven by the society जहाँ the marriage is only between male and female, या you consider a relationship between two similar individuals as wrong, you would consider your attitude towards LGBT community would be negative attitude, and your behavior would be negative, or you would see, or you would react to any response from LGBT community in a negative way. तो ये एक important है. तो आपको the relationship पता चाहिए between ethics, values, attitude and behavior. Values define your attitude and attitude define your behavior. तो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट आपको पता चाहिए. आपको ये भी पता चाहिए कि values change with time. But there are certain core values which are universal, such as love, peace, truth, equality. ये universal values है. But certain values change with time. So these are known as peripheral values. So as values change with time, ethics also change with time. पहले हम सती को राइट मानते थे, LGBT कम्युनिटी के अगेंस्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन राइट मानते थे, लेकिन अब as our knowledge has evolved, as society is more focused towards equality, now we consider it as right, and our ethics of the society have changed. तो एक बेसिक आपको डिफरेंस पता चाहिए. The next important thing is what are the determinants of ethics? Ethics किस पर डिपेंड होता है? Basically ethics is determined by a few of the important factors. सबसे important factors is social norms या social values. Second is religious values. Third is constitution and law of the land, which also defines one's actions and one's values. उसके बाद आता है our knowledge system also defines. हमारा जैसे जैसे knowledge बढ़ते जाएगा, हमारे values change होते जाएंगे. तो ये एक important determinants है of ethics जो आपको पता चाहिए. And you should know कि values and ethics change with time. बहुत important है, but certain core values remain universal and fundamental, which do not change with time. Next important cheese which I would like to tell you is why is ethics important. Once we have an ethical society, or we have our actions on ethical lines, or we follow ethics in the society, there is stability in the society, there is security in the society, there is peace in the society. So ethics is important for peace and security and welfare of the society. Side by side, whenever we follow ethics in our day-to-day life, there is inner peace, there is inner sense of well-being. For stability of the individual, बहुत important है ethics को follow करना. Third, if we do not follow ethics, there are so many drawbacks. As you have seen, there is rising communalism, there is rising corruption, there is degradation of environment, there is discrimination among communities. All this is because of degradation of values, and where ethics is not followed, there is frauds. All these are the impact of where we are not following ethics. So ethics is basically important at the individual level also, at the societal level also, and for the world peace also. If we follow international ethics, if we follow the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is the world as one family. So if we respect Earth, so there would be less climate change, and there would be peace in the world. So ethics is important at the individual level, societal level, and also at the international level. तो ये एक importance है ethics का. Thank you.